Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Happy New Year. I hope you're all having a fantastic start to 2020 in life and business. And I'm very excited to tell you about our opening Leeds PPN event of 2020 and the new decade. So we have got a fantastic lineup for you. We have got two great speakers which will be covering property and business. So let me quickly tell you about it. So our next event is on Tuesday, January 14th, and our first speaker who will be covering property will be Khadija Landale. And she's a property investor based in the Northeast, and she has built a portfolio of buy-to-let properties using the buy, refurbish, refinance strategy. So she's built a solid portfolio of 14 properties and also packaged £500,000 worth of deals for other investors. So she has started very basic, and she's building a very solid foundation for her property business. One of the reasons this is very important because it's great going for the high cash flowing strategies such as service accommodation, rent service accommodation. But what if there is some kind of market downturn, legislation change that affects these high cash flowing strategies? So it's important to have this basic foundation built, because no matter what, everybody will require a house to live in. So she's going to share why it's important and how she's done it and how you can do it too. And our main speaker is none other than 2008 Apprentice Final 5 candidate or finalist, Khadija Kalifa. So if you're a big Apprentice fan, this is a huge treat for you. So Khadija, if you know, she built a cleaning company whilst raising 2 children. Now she has sold that company. So now she's concentrating on building her business empire and also helping other business owners help advance their businesses. So Khadija is going to be sharing how you can use current marketing tools such as podcasts, and also how to incentivize, manage your staff, and also how to create the right work-life balance that fits you. So it's going to be a great opportunity to meet Khadija in person, to learn from Khadija and make the most out of her presence at Leeds PPN. And also we'll have a Q&A at the end. I'm sure you can ask her about what she's doing in business, and also maybe you have some questions about her time on The Apprentice as well, and probably her relationship with Lord Sugar. So it's a great opportunity. I'm really excited about this. So it's going to be a very popular event. The early bird tickets are still live, so you can still book them. Just to let you know, the prices have slightly increased this year from £20 to £25, which is our standard price now. So up through the next few days, the early bird tickets are still available. So I suggest for you to book it now because you can easily forget. And the prices will go up. So this time they will go up to £35. So if you want to secure your discounted ticket, I suggest you do it now. I'll leave the link here. And I'm very excited to see everyone starting their or continuing their property journey in 2020. I'm really excited to meet everyone there, and also Khadija and Jessica are very excited to meet everybody in the Leeds area. So if you're local, if you want to come in, you're all welcome. And if you've never been to Leeds PPN before, also let me know. I can let you come as a guest the first time, but I've got to clarify that. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing everyone next Tuesday, January 14th. The event is in the evening at the Hilton Hotel in the Leeds City Centre. We will begin at 7 and finish around 9:30. Okay, so thank you for listening. I'll see you soon.